friends, welcome back. In this baking video I will show you how I use some leftover ingredients. Let's make a potato bun filled with meat. For dinner or breakfast, this is the perfect choice. Let's get started. We will need 300 gram flour, 125 gram butter, 200 gram mashed potato, 1 egg yolk, 25 gram yeast, 1 pinch of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, 50 milliliter oil and warm water, and 2 tablespoons of yogurt. As a first step, mix warm water, sugar and yeast, then set aside for 15 minutes. Take another bowl and mix flour, salt and butter. Now add mashed potato, then egg yolk and yogurt. It is better to kneading it with every ingredient so the dough will be perfectly worked through. Now add the yeast and continue kneading it. Add the oil bit by bit. When everything is well combined, I use my electric mixer to make the perfect dough for 5-7 minutes. After 7 minutes, set it aside at warm area so the dough will be doubled, at least for 30 minutes. In the meantime, we can make our filling ready. Fry a small onion with 1 tablespoon of oil. When the onion is golden, add any meat you have, at least 250 grams. Be careful with the seasoning, don't forget it's been cooked before. Add 1/4 teaspoon pepper, half teaspoon oregano and 1 teaspoon of basil. Fry it for 2 minutes, then add 1 cup of tomato sauce. Make sure it's absorbed the moisture. It shouldn't be too liquidy. After 30 minutes, the dough is doubled. Now we will fold it at least for 3 times. The third time, let it rest for another 5 minutes. Then we divide it to equal portions. In the meantime, don't forget to warm up the oven 180 degrees. From this amount, I had 16 pieces of buns. It is enough for 8 or 6 people. However, it depends how hungry is your family. Before baking the buns, rub it with egg and sprinkle it with sesame seeds. You can also use cheese, it is up to your taste. Bake the buns 20 or 25 minutes until it's golden brown. So yummy and soft! Thank you so much for watching. Bon appetit and see you next week.